Aries, 4th December 2024. Love life. The stars favor communication in relationships today. Share your thoughts and feelings openly with your partner to strengthen your bond. If you are single, meaningful conversations with someone new may reveal shared interests and deeper compatibility. Career collaboration is key today. You may find yourself working closely with others to achieve a common goal. Your natural leadership skills will shine, but remember to give others space to contribute. This cooperative approach will lead to mutual success. Well-being, your energy levels are balanced today, making it an excellent time to focus on both mental and physical health. A brisk walk or workout can help you feel refreshed and invigorated. Advice: engage in teamwork and open dialogue. Your ability to connect with others will be your greatest asset today. Lucky color: scarlet red. Lucky number 9. Taurus, 4th December 2024. Love life. Romance flows smoothly today, Taurus. If you are in a relationship, consider surprising your partner with a small act of kindness or a heartfelt gesture. Singles may meet someone intriguing through social or professional networks. Career: your persistence pays off as you make significant strides in a long-term project. This is also an excellent day for networking and building connections that could benefit your career in the future. Financial matters may take a positive turn, so keep an eye out for opportunities. Well-being: your grounded energy keeps you feeling centered and composed. A relaxing massage or spa treatment could enhance your sense of well-being and help you unwind. Advice: celebrate your achievements, big or small, and share your success with those who support you. Lucky color: emerald green. Lucky number 5. Gemini, 4th December 2024. Love life. Romance takes a dreamy turn today, Gemini. Couples may enjoy sharing future aspirations, while singles could feel drawn to someone with a creative or spiritual vibe. Trust your instincts when it comes to matters of the heart. Career: a creative solution to a workplace problem may come to you suddenly. Collaborating with a colleague can further refine your idea. Today favors presentations and public speaking. Your words carry extra influence. Well-being: you are feeling balanced and upbeat, but don't neglect hydration and nutrition. Engaging in a creative hobby can bring a sense of fulfillment. Advice: embrace your creative side and share your ideas freely. Your enthusiasm will inspire others. Lucky color: sky blue. Lucky number 7. Cancer, 4th December 2024. Love life. Your nurturing side shines through, making your loved ones feel cherished. If you are single, someone may admire your compassionate nature and make their interest known. Be open to new connections. Career: a leadership opportunity may present itself, and you are well prepared to take charge. Your empathetic approach will help you navigate team dynamics and achieve excellent results. Well-being: spending time near water, a lake, river, or even a warm bath can be incredibly soothing today. Focus on activities that help you feel grounded and secure. Advice: embrace your leadership qualities while staying true to your empathetic nature. It's your superpower. Lucky color: silver. Lucky number 3. Leo, 4th December 2024. Love life. Communication is your strongest asset today. Openly share your feelings with loved ones and you'll strengthen your connections. If you are single, an honest conversation could spark a promising new relationship. Career, your determination to succeed is contagious, motivating your team to reach new heights. Stay focused on your priorities and don't let small setbacks deter you from your ambitions. Well-being, pay attention to your physical health. Your body may be signaling a need for better nourishment or relaxation. Stay hydrated and consider a healthy meal plan. Advice: your authenticity is magnetic. Use it to forge deeper bonds and achieve greater success. Lucky color, gold. Lucky number, 1. Virgo, 4th December 2024. Love life, patience is your ally today. Your partner might need your support, so be a good listener. Singles should remain open to unexpected conversations. They might lead to surprising revelations. Career, you are a natural at streamlining processes, and today is perfect for optimizing your workflow. Stay focused, as this effort will pave the way for long-term success. Avoid workplace drama and stick to your principles. Well-being, a sense of accomplishment will elevate your mood. However, avoid overworking yourself. Small breaks can rejuvenate your mind and enhance productivity. Advice: focus on building stable foundations. Whether in relationships or career, it will pay off in the long run. Lucky color, olive green. Lucky number, 6. Libra, 4th December 2024. Love life, relationships deepen through acts of kindness. Couples will find joy in small gestures, while singles might discover a potential match through shared social connections. Your natural magnetism is hard to resist. Career, networking proves beneficial today. Attend events or connect with peers who can help advance your career. Your ability to articulate ideas clearly earns you respect and new opportunities. Well-being, avoid overextending yourself. Take breaks to recharge, especially if you are feeling mentally or emotionally drained. A short walk in nature can do wonders. Advice: balance your personal needs with external demands. Your well-being matters just as much as your responsibilities. Lucky color, light pink. Lucky number, 4. Scorpio, 4th December 2024. Love life, passion surges in your relationships today. Couples can reignite their spark through shared activities, while singles may find themselves drawn to someone with a strong personality. Be clear about your desires to avoid misunderstandings. Career, focus on long-term goals rather than immediate results. Your strategic mind will help you navigate challenges and uncover hidden opportunities. Stay vigilant, as someone might offer unexpected support. Well-being, your energy levels are high, but channel them wisely. Physical activity like jogging or dancing can help you release pent-up emotions. Advice: trust your intuition, but don't let it cloud practical judgment. Balance is key. Lucky color, deep purple. Lucky number, 2. Sagittarius, 4th December 2024. Love life, expect a romantic day full of warmth and connection. If you are in a relationship, a deep conversation will strengthen your bond and bring you closer together. Singles may feel a magnetic pull towards someone new. Let your curiosity guide you, but keep your expectations in check. Career, today is all about growth and expansion. Your ability to see the big picture will help you move ahead in your career. If you've been waiting for an opportunity to present itself, today is a good day to step up and show what you can do. Your vision and optimism will set you apart. Well-being, you may feel a bit overextended today, so remember to pace yourself. Balance your work and personal life by taking breaks to recharge. A light workout or stretching can help release any built-up tension. Advice: trust your judgment but don't be afraid to ask for feedback. The combination of your ideas and external insights will lead to great progress. Lucky color: crimson red. Lucky number 8. Capricorn, 4th December 2024. Love life, a sense of emotional depth could arise today, Capricorn, making it a perfect time for intimate conversations with your partner. If you are single, a connection may begin to develop with someone who shares your values and ambitions. You may feel drawn to someone who is equally focused on building a secure future. Career, today, you'll feel driven to get things done. Your productivity is at its peak, and your hard work is paying off. You might be faced with a challenging task, but your perseverance and strategic thinking will allow you to overcome any obstacles. Stay focused on the bigger picture and don't get bogged down by small issues. Well-being, while your determination and commitment to your goals are admirable, they can sometimes lead to physical and emotional exhaustion. Ensure you are taking breaks throughout the day and eating nourishing meals to keep your energy steady. Avoid pushing yourself too hard. Advice: keep your eye on the prize, but remember that good things take time. It's important to give yourself credit for every small win along the way. Lucky color: charcoal grey. Lucky number 10. Aquarius, 4th December 2024. Love life, expect some surprises in your love life today. If you are in a relationship, an unexpected romantic gesture or deep conversation could bring you closer to your partner. If you are single, a chance encounter with someone interesting could lead to a meaningful connection. Stay open to new possibilities. Career, today, you may feel compelled to break free from routine. You might be itching to take on new challenges or look for ways to introduce fresh perspectives into your work. If you've been feeling restricted, today is a good time to have a conversation with a supervisor about exploring new opportunities or roles. Well-being, you might experience a burst of energy today, Aquarius. Use this time to tackle tasks that require focus and determination. However, avoid overexerting yourself. Pay attention to your emotional well-being and balance your physical activity with moments of rest. Advice: embrace the unexpected, but don't rush into anything. Take your time to assess situations before making decisions. Keep your balance between excitement and practicality. Lucky color: aquamarine. Lucky number 11. Pisces, 4th December 2024. Love life, you may experience moments of introspection today when it comes to your love life. If you are in a relationship, it's a good time to have heart-to-heart conversations and share your feelings more openly. For singles, today could bring an opportunity for self-reflection and understanding what you truly desire in a partner. Be patient and clear with yourself, and don't rush into any emotional decisions. Career, today could bring some challenges at work, but don't be discouraged. It might be a bit difficult to stay focused, especially if distractions are pulling you away from your main tasks. Try to stay calm and work on maintaining a sense of balance throughout the day. If you are feeling overwhelmed, take a short break to reset your mindset. Your ability to stay calm and methodical will help you get through any obstacles. Well-being, you may feel drained emotionally today, Pisces. Your sensitive nature makes it easy to absorb the energy around you, so it's crucial to give yourself some space to relax. Meditation, deep breathing, or a long bath can help you reset. Don't neglect your emotional needs. Take time to care for your inner world. Advice: focus on staying grounded and releasing any emotional weight that's not yours. A moment of solitude will help you clear your mind and regain your energy. Lucky color: sea green. Lucky number: 12.